Life in India is full of hustle and bustle. We are constantly on the move, juggling exams, friends, family, and everything in between. It's no wonder that stress has become a constant companion for many of us. From the moment our alarms go off to the time we finally drift off to sleep, our minds are racing. Stress can manifest in many ways. You might notice headaches, tight shoulders, or difficulty sleeping. Maybe you feel overwhelmed, anxious, or find it hard to focus. We've all been there. I remember when I was in medical school, the pressure of exams often left me feeling overwhelmed. It's important to remember that stress is a normal part of life. It's our body's natural response to challenges and demands. However, when stress becomes chronic, it can take a toll on our physical and mental well-being. That's where progressive muscle relaxation, or PMR, comes in. Progressive muscle relaxation, or PMR, is a simple yet powerful technique that involves systematically tensing and relaxing different muscle groups in your body. It's like giving your muscles a mini workout, but instead of building strength, we are releasing tension. This process helps you become more aware of the physical sensations of stress and learn to let go of that tension. Imagine this. You're about to take an important exam. Your heart is racing, your palms are sweaty, and you can feel the tension building in your shoulders. PMR can help you break the cycle of stress by teaching you to consciously relax your muscles. The beauty of PMR lies in its simplicity. It can be practiced anywhere, anytime, and requires no special equipment. All you need is a quiet space and a few minutes to spare. The benefits of practicing PMR extend far beyond just physical relaxation. Regular practice can have a profound impact on your mental and emotional well-being. Imagine feeling calmer, more centered, and better equipped to handle whatever life throws your way. One of the most significant benefits of PMR is its ability to reduce anxiety. When you relax your muscles, you are essentially signaling to your nervous system that it's time to calm down. This can be incredibly helpful in managing everyday stressors, such as work deadlines or social situations. But the benefits don't stop there. PMR can also improve your sleep quality. By releasing tension before bed, you create a sense of calm that allows your mind and body to unwind, leading to a more restful night's sleep. And who doesn't want to wake up feeling refreshed and energized? Your 5-minute PMR guide. Ready to experience the transformative power of PMR? Here's a simple guide to get you started. Step 1. Find your space. Choose a quiet and comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. You can sit in a chair with your feet flat on the floor or lie down on your back. Step 2. Focus on your breath. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, inhaling slowly through your nose and exhaling slowly through your mouth. Notice the rise and fall of your abdomen as you breathe. Step 3. Tense and release. Starting with your toes, consciously tense the muscles in your feet. Curl your toes tightly, hold for 5 seconds, and then release. Notice the feeling of relaxation as you let go of the tension. Step 4. Move up your body. Gradually work your way up your body, tensing and relaxing each muscle group. Calves, thighs, buttocks, stomach, chest, shoulders, arms, hands, face, and scalp. Hold each muscle group for 5 seconds and then release, paying attention to the sensations of tension and relaxation. Step 5. Enjoy the calm. Once you have completed all the muscle groups, take a few moments to simply enjoy the feeling of relaxation. Notice how your body feels lighter and your mind feels calmer. Relax your way to a better you. In a world that often feels chaotic and demanding, progressive muscle relaxation offers a simple yet effective way to find moments of peace and calm. By incorporating PMR into your daily routine, you can learn to manage stress, reduce anxiety, improve sleep, and enhance your overall well-being. Remember that consistency is key. Just like any skill, the more you practice PMR, the more natural it will become. Start with just a few minutes each day, and gradually increase the duration as you feel comfortable. You might be surprised by the profound impact this simple technique can have on your life. So take a deep breath, find a quiet space, and give PMR a try. Your mind and body will thank you.